Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Framer is a design and development tool that allows you to create interactive prototypes and production-ready apps. When dealing with forms in Framer, understanding input variance and validation is crucial for creating a user-friendly experience. This tutorial will cover form input variance, validation, and provide code examples to illustrate how you can implement them in Framer. Understanding form input variance. Input variance refer to the different states an input field can have. Common states include 1. Default, the initial state of the input. 2. Focused, when a user clicks on the input field. 3. Filled, when the user has entered data into the field. 4. Error, when the input does not meet validation criteria. Setting up your form in Framer. 1. Create input components. Start by creating input components for your form. You can use Framer's built-in input components or create custom ones. 2. Define state management. Use React's state management to handle the input values and their validation states. Example code. Here's a simple example of a form with input variance and validation in Framer using React. JavaScript. Import React, uses state from React. Import frame from Framer. Const input field equals, label, value, onChange, error, equals. Return. Div style equals margin, 10px0. Label. Label. Input. Type equals text. Value equals value. OnChange equals onChange. Style equals. Border color, error. Red, black. Outline, none. Padding, 8px. Border radius, 4px. Slash. Slash label. Error and span style equals color, red error slash span. Slash div. Const myForm equals. Const name, set name equals uses state. Const error, set error equals uses state. Const handle submit equals, equals. E.prevent default. / simple validation. If, name.trim, equals. Set error, name is required. Else. Set error. Alert, form submitted with name, $name. / handle form submission logic here. Return. Div style equals padding, 20px. H2 myForm /H2. Form on submit equals handle submit. Input field. Label equals name. Value equals name. OnChange equals, equals set name, e.target.value. Error equals error. Slash. Button type equals submit / button. Slash form. Slash div. Export default myForm. Explanation of the code. 1. Input field component. This is a reusable component that renders a label and an input field. It takes props for the label, value, change handler, and any error messages. The input's border color changes based on whether there's an error. 2. myForm component. This is the main form component. It maintains the name state for the input field and an error state for validation messages. 3. Handle submit function. This function is triggered when the form is submitted. It checks whether the input is empty and sets an error message if it is. If the input is valid, it alerts the user with the entered name and can be extended to include further form submission logic. Adding more input variance. You can extend this form by adding more input fields, such as email, password, etc., and manage their states similarly. Each field can have its own validation logic and error messages. Conclusion. Form input variants and validation are essential for creating user-friendly forms in Framer. By using React's state management and conditionally rendering styles and messages, you can guide users through filling out forms more effectively. This example serves as a foundation, and you can expand upon it to create more complex forms as needed.